Three, two, one. Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube episode, you guessed it, you hear all the noise? I'm outside in the streets. I'm outside of the studio. I'm not in the studio right now. I'm outside of lot 15 on Studio A, on one of my studios. I'm here to give you an unboxing of the Mercury Innovations Aurora truly wireless headphones. I've seen for a long time that Apple has had their Apple headsets, those Apple AirPods, and now everyone's copying, I guess, Apple, and then Sony has theirs. But I saw these at the store and I had to check it out. And I have a very important package to deliver to UPS today, so I wouldn't have time to do the unboxing, so I'm doing it here outside of the studio on lot 15 on the studio parking lot grounds. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Oh, and just to let you guys know, let me flip the back. It's a Bluetooth version 5.0. It's truly wire free. It's stable wireless connection, meaning stable meaning it's 35 feet away. It has auto pair, instant connectivity. It has secure comfort design because they're rubber, like the Sonys I bought recently. Superior sound for music and calls. So this also does calls. But what's interesting is that the Sonys I have when I'm working in the studio, the Sonys that I have, the cable, they wrap up and they tangle. Even though they're wireless, it still has a cord, as you can see them on me. Yeah, and that cord is no good because then it tangles up and whatever on my neck. But anyways, it's up to 30 feet, sorry. And it says up to 20 hours of battery life. That's pretty good. So, oh yeah, and the frequency is 20 to 20 kilohertz, which is not bad for decent headphones. I mean, these are not Sonys or nothing, they're Mercury's. They're a decent pair of headphones. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah, and it works with wireless most devices like Android and Apple, anything that's Bluetooth compatible. And here they are. I've never had these type of headphones, so I wouldn't know. And then here's the other headphone. And then bear with me guys, as you can see here, this would be the charging dock. You stick them in there, and then you have the button you press to activate them. Let's see what else we get. Get the manual, not USB Type-C though, just regular micro USB. And we get some extra earbuds in case these get lost or something, or for different sizes. And that's about it. There's really not much to say about these. You just put these inside the charging dock base right here, and then the light will indicate whether it's charging or not. And then that's about it. And it's like a cool case to carry around. I'm gonna try these out, and if they're good, they're good. And if they're not good, then whatever. I guess I'll get some other ones and from the studio, and I'll let you guys see an unboxing of those other ones. But I have to try these out for a couple of days. And well, guys, that was the somewhat unboxing of the Merkury Innovations Aurora wireless headphones that are truly wireless. So sorry that I did it all in a mess out here in the studio lot outside on studio lot 15 with car noises passing by, because there's cars passing by because they're working on production out here on another thing. See you guys next time. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe.